Good morning. I'm here with my two little great-grandchildren. This is Charlie, he's 4, and this is Sam, he's 8. We are going to make some French toast. Did you know I used to make French toast for your daddy?
Hey,
and your grandfather?
My dad made French toast for me.
He does? Well, great.
He
maybe,
did it.
Maybe his...
He did it years ago when I was watching some like Godzilla versus the Monsters.
And he made it?
Yeah, because
well,
it was like so crazy about that movie.
You know what? I bet you he learned from his grandmother, don't you think? Okay, let me tell you what we have in this. Now, we don't use sugar and cinnamon on our French toast. We have eggs, and we have Carnation milk, and we have salt and pepper. So we beat that up real good. And now we're fixing to put butter in the pan and use this bread, and we're going to dip it in the egg mixture, and then we're going to fry it in the butter. And that's French toast. You ready? Okay, let's turn the heat on. Here we go. We're gonna put a little bit of butter in here. We're gonna dip our bread. Do one of y'all want to dip one slice?
I want to dip.
Okay.
That heat is.
I had a thing here. Do you know how to use this?
Yes.
Wait a minute. We're going to pick the bread up, see, with it?
Well, that's better.
And we're going to put it in there like that, and then you're going to put it in this pan. Okay, let me give this to you. You pick this out of here and put it up over in there. Can you do that?
I don't know.
Get a hold of it good now.
Yeah.
Put it in that pan now. That's good, Sam. That's good. Now we're going to let Charlie do that.
I hope I...
Oh, now squeeze it. Now put it over here. Hold on to it. Put it right there.
Hold on tight, Charlie.
Now then, that's good.
Yay.
Now, all we got to do is let it get brown now, and we'll have French toast here. This is ready to turn over. Turn it over. Hurry.
I wasn't burned 3 times.
Like just a little bit, and they'll be finished.
I'm gonna wait. I wanna wait.
Okay.
I wait every time. Wait a minute. So
That's
that
good.
stuff that you put on, is that turning into the French toast?
Uh-huh. That's what we got right here. We let that get a little brown, but that's all right. Okay. We have finished our French toast. It got a little too brown, but anyway, it's not brown enough it's going to hurt it. It'll be good. I hope y'all try this French toast. We have been making this for years, and I hope you visit us with another family video. Thank you for watching.
We'll probably do
Okay.
another